Calling you, videoing you from the Iowa port. On this gate right here, one of the first things you need to check is in that ball valve. I'm just showing you a picture of the gate. The gate one is not underwater. The other gates are. So this particular gate right here, the front gun gate, may have a problem with this thing sealing all the way to the bottom. So in order to adjust that, you got to take this nut off right here, and then this thing screws out so it could go on down and make sure that there's no gap in the bottom of this thing sucking air. And you can always check on the front gate. This is like kind of like the front gate here, but you can always put your hand or put a box or something over there, and if it sucks it and starts to prime, then there's a problem. There's a leak somewhere that we've got to find that could be leaking through this gate right here that's on the front gun. So Kurt, another thing he said to do would be to, when you take that ball out of the canister, is to, when you're priming it, to place your hand in there and make sure that there's a suction on the ball or on the container. If it doesn't suck to your hand, there's a problem with the primer itself. I'm just here just showing you video of the puck stuff here. Also, he said you could actually take water and pour it into the machine, like 4 to 5 gallons in the system, and you would know whether or not it's a water issue versus the sludge being too thick. If it primed up for a second by you putting clear water in the system, 4 to 5 gallon buckets into the system, then you would also know that it's just too thick to prime. But he said he almost bet it's the front gun seal that's causing the problem. And you can check that again by putting your hand over it while you're trying to prime, and if it pulls your hand, it's not supposed to. So that gate has to be sealed to the bottom, and it's the only gate that is not underwater. I hope this helps.